Okay, so now today we have a great sneak peek of the guys breaking for lunch. But look at this, we have a skylight. Wow, this is very exciting. If I can walk and take a video at the same time and not kill myself, that'll be even more amazing. There's our new skylight. Look at this, nothing but light. Very exciting. They did the flashing on the roof, took a couple pictures for me, and it's just incredible. They're still adding now the tiles around the copper flashing, but it just gives us such a huge difference in light. It's just wonderful. It's like, oh my goodness, what a difference a day makes. It's kind of hard to capture, and of course the stairs are going to start in a couple weeks, but it's just incredible how much light, to give you an idea. This is going to be shining on our lights coming in on our stair around the elevator well here, which you can see. It's just pretty spectacular. Exactly what I thought would happen. It's just going to be beautiful. So here we go. This is the skylight into this bathroom, which is the hall bath. Another great one. So, ciao for now.